What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com. Just wanted to post this little review on Dffn, something that I caught just into the open around 10:30 going into 11 o'clock. I wanted to put this out there for the guys in chat and in the day trading boot camp community, and this was a pretty decent play. Now, the market is still open, about to close in 15 minutes. The bulk of the move has already been made, but earlier on in the morning in chat, I was buzzing to everybody, hey, guys, you got to look at Dffn, and you got to check out high of day. Now, this stock was a ripper out of the gate. It went through multiple halts and then started to sort of try to check higher right through here. You can see that we had this wick and a bit of a rejection candle, pushed price action a little bit lower, but we had this really nice hold on the 50 period, and price action started to squeeze higher. I was saying, guys, look at 465. 465 is a level that you're going to want to watch for potential high day breakout, and I had everybody in chat and in the bootcamp trading community watching this stock. What actually happened a little after I called it was you could see that there was a little bit of a test. Price came back into that range, back into that 466 level, and then it got serious about the move and it started to rally. You can see that we had a little bit of a rejection move right through here, a candlestick reversal, actually, rejection play, and price action did squeeze a little bit lower, and we lost a little bit of momentum. Now, here's the great thing about Dffn. We use a very structured model to get into trades, and we use a very structured model to get out of trades in profit. Now, with that said, Dffn, actually, we would have been triggered out of this in this general area right through here when it bear flagged below the 10-day exponential moving average. With that said, you'll notice that price action came back into that 466 level right down through here a little bit later on, and then completely reset and made the same move again, taking out high a day once more at 590. So you'll see what happens right through here is that we get range bound, we see that high, a little bit of chop into the close, and we're still moving right through here. But there were multiple opportunities that were offered to us on Dffn. The report through the chat room in the boot camp is that people were watching it, they were gauging it. Some of my top traders hit this for a nice little profit. And again, it was a very, very simple play from 466 long, had that structured play all the way up to this 590 level. You would have done over a point in business on this trade. It was very, very nice, and I wanted to share what me and my community are looking at and what we're doing every single day. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. If you want to get involved with one of our boot camps that are coming up in the future, there's actually going to be a link below, or if you're part of the Rich TV Live community, you can hit that link and get involved. See you guys in the next video.